Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to activate Navy Federal debit card. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Navy Federal, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So actually there are two ways to do this so first is by going to the Navy Federal website itself. So first, you need to go to this website and go to the credit cards tab, and right here you can browse any cards you want to activate. And if you choose the card you want, just click apply now. And after that, you will be redirected to that card certain register page. So this is this card registration page. So I need to now sign in my account right here. And after signing up my account right here, I need to, fill up a form, for example, etc., like that, until I applied for a card right there and yeah, activate it. So yeah, that's the one way to do it. The other one is by contacting the Navy Federal customer service. So you need to have their number. So this is their number. I'm going to show you in this video. So you just need to contact this number. This is the Navy Federal customer service number. And you just, if you had your card already purchased, you have your card ready and you just need to activate it, just call this number and let the customer service activate your card themselves for you. And yeah, that's it. That's the two ways to activate your Navy Federal gift card. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.